How to add a feature photos widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. So on the home screen, you want to touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the edit button. Now from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Next in here, we scroll down, and then in the widget list, tap on photos. Next, in here we can choose a small size widget, medium size, or a large size. So select one of the widget size and then tap on add widget, and that will get added to your home screen. After that, you can tap on the done button to save the changes. Now later on, if you would like to change the size of the widget, you can simply touch and hold on the widget, and from the pop-up, tap on a small size, medium size, or a large size to resize your widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.